Hello happy people, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I want to show you exactly how you can create a top header and a header below, or you can call it an above header and then also a below header using Astra and Astra Pro. Now let's dive straight in. To create a top header in Astra, first of all, you have to have Astra Pro. Astra Pro is an add-on or a plugin that you have to buy from Astra to be in position to add header section. That is the above header and the below header. And by default, Astra doesn't come with those options. That's why you have to get it. And when you get the Astra Pro option, then when you come over here in the customizer and come here to the header option, then you will have the above header option and the below header option. Without the Astra Pro add-on, which is actually a plugin you will not have that option. And when you get the Astra Pro add-on, then you simply have to come over here to the header sections and activate the header section by simply clicking over here and say activate. When you activate and you go here straight to the customizer, then you'll have those options enabled straight. Now to get started, I'm going to show you exactly what I did for my header. When I came over here to the header option, I simply came over here to the above header option and I enabled the above header. So when I disable this by clicking over here on this box, then I'll have disabled my above header, which is up here, and that is the one that is having the email contact and the slider, which is right up here. You see when I slide over here and all this information, that is all belonging to the top header. So when I disable it, boom, it's nowhere. But once I re-enable it, I can simply enable the layout 1 or the layout 2. The layout 1 has two options. I can add text or a widget or a search or nothing in the first column, and I can add in the next section either a menu or a widget or whatever I want. So depending on what you want is what you assign. So I can even simply switch everything over here and I say I want a search in the first section here, and in the next section I want to have maybe a text or an HTML code, and that's how it will look like over there. And for my section 1, I can choose to have my search as a full screen or as a header cover or a search box. Let me try here the header cover, which I actually did over here. This is a header cover option. And once I enable the header cover and I come over here and I click, boom, it will cover up the whole header. If I choose the full screen option, then in my top header, when someone clicks on the search icon, boom, I'll cover up the whole screen and someone can be able to search my website over there just like that. So it goes back on how you want to style it up, and you can configure the height of your top header by simply increasing the height of your header section, or even increasing it, or even the bottom border of your header section. And if you don't want a bottom border, you simply put it to 0 and you are good to go. At the moment, I have it something like at the default setting or the default size of the top border, but I can as well change that. Maybe I say I give it like a 3, or maybe just give it like a 1, and I change the color to something like that, or maybe something like this. Okay, now that means that I'll have my top header with a top border color. So when I come over here and I reload, let me use this other section over here. Once I reload, you realize that I have my top header with a header search and of course having this border color. Now the same applies to the header below, and when I come over here and come to below header, I can still choose from 3 different layouts. Now when I deactivate my header below, of course this what is going to get away is to West Astra is the best, and boom, now we no longer have a header below. Okay, our website is simply looking just like that, and I can choose to have my header below whether having 2 columns or 2 sections, and or simply having 1 column. In this case I chose to have only 1 column, and in that 1 column I chose to have only the text, or I can even choose not to have anything. But hey, what would be the sense of having a below header and again you don't assign anything there? So in this case I chose to only use the HTML, but as well you can assign a widget that you already have in your widgets area that has the information that you want to assign right to that section. So right here I am going to add my text HTML, and right here I added my text over here is to West Astra is the best. Okay, something like that. And down here, I can choose to add the height of my below header, like, adjusting what you want or adjusting to what you want. And then the bottom border, that is in case you want to add a border to this section, which I don't want to, but just for the purposes I show you over there, what you can have, something like that. And you can even make changes to the colors and all that goes on and on. But in this case, I don't want to add anything right to that section. So in a nutshell, that's how you can add a top header and a below header using Astra, or how you can add a header above and a header below in your Astra or WordPress website. Now, once you are done, you simply hit update and come over here to the live website, and you can simply preview what you have done. Also, like I had mentioned, you can enable or you can configure that you don't want to show up anything on one of the sections. For example, when you go back to the above header and come to the first section, that is above header section 1, we don't want to show anything. And then section 2, we want to show our text.html information. Okay, now when I simply hit update, now that means that we won't have the search bar again, which is appearing over here. Now I simply hit update. You see now we don't have the search bar appearing over there. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more videos that are going to come in. And if you want to see other tutorials about Astra, please check out in the description box below. Or in case you want to see how you can create headers, even mega menus using Astra, please check out the videos in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.